Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OPPO Find X8 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on the search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and then click on this button to skip your introduction, and click not now, and then click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant, and here you have to select always. Then you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here, there's my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.